Hi, we're going to give you a video that shows how we're going to accomplish their goal of during opening when I'm on Zoom with them to answer questions and use their AAC device. I call it a talker, and when I say touch the button, I'm referring to touch one of the buttons. Some of you might have a bigger one, some might have a smaller one. They're all programmed the same, and I put in instructions because once in a while the talker will shut down and erase itself and you'll have to reprogram. But if you have problems with that, just give me a call. While the student is working and they're looking at the video on the screen, I might say to them, Jenny, what are we talking about? Touch the button.
The rule in room 17 is?
Then I'm going to give her a rule and put it on some kind of a Velcro board that you have. Jenny, pull off. Okay, if we are to the point where Jenny hasn't pulled it off, I will give you a cue of, say, Jenny, do you need some help from your person? And then I'll take her hand and help her pull it off. Some of you might be working on a little further extension of that goal where I'm going to say, put in the container, and then you're gonna help them put it in. We do not want them to pull it off and just throw it on the floor when I said, put it in the bucket. So these are different variations of that same goal. So you're going to just touch the button, and I'll say, pull off, and if they can pull it off, fine. If they are attempting to, let them keep working at it. And if you need to, and I say, why don't you get some help, Jenny? Then you can assist them in pulling it off. And if I ask you to have them put it in a container, they can do that. Some of you are working on putting into a container and some of you aren't. And sometimes the student might be pounding the button.
The rule in room 17 is?
And it will get ahead, and we're still talking about rules, but pound it, touch it again, Jenny.
Today is?
You might get ahead of today is instead of the rule in the room. So don't worry about that. We'll make accommodations, and I'll just fast forward through the video a little bit to get to the appropriate question. If you have any problems or concerns, just give me a call and we'll be glad to talk it through with you. Thanks.